Sometimes you need your spreadsheet as a PDF, whether it's for sharing a clean copy or printing it out. Google Sheets has this built right in, and here's a sales spreadsheet ready to go. If you find this helpful, a quick like would be great. Start by opening the File menu at the top left. Hover over Download to see the format options. Select PDF from the list. This opens the Print Settings window, where you can adjust how the PDF will look before saving it. The Export drop-down at the top lets you pick between the current sheet, selected cells, or the whole workbook. Open the Paper Size menu to choose a different page size if the default doesn't fit your needs. Here it's switched to A4, a standard size that works well for most printing. Switch the orientation to portrait if your data fits better vertically. Open the Scale drop-down to control how the spreadsheet fits on the page. Choosing Fit to Page shrinks everything down, so nothing gets cut off. Expand the formatting section to see extra options like grid lines and alignment. You can toggle these depending on whether you want a cleaner look or more structure. Once everything looks right, hit the blue Export button in the top right. The PDF downloads right away, and you can open it from the Downloads tray at the bottom. And that's all it takes to turn your spreadsheet into a PDF you can share or print. If you want more quick guides like this, subscribe to stay updated.